Are you ready to take on the challenge of building your very own tiny house? Well, before you start, we have the top 4 harsh realities that you need to know and be prepared for.
Hi, I'm Damon with the Tiny House Experts. Thanks for joining us. We're happy you're here on our new video series called How to Build a Tiny House the Right Way. In this first series, we're going to discuss some of the pitfalls, the trials, the tribulations, and the successes of building a tiny house all by yourself with maybe just a little bit of help from your friends here at the Tiny House Experts. Let's jump in.
The first truth on our list is the struggle to find quality, cost-efficient materials, but we have some possible solutions for you. Here are some possible solutions. Check online classifieds, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Check flea markets in your area. They might have some affordable used materials for you. Next, check with your family and friends. See if they have any leftover materials from a remodel that they may have done or a possible build that they did themselves. They may have some things in a storage shed or in their garage that they will happily part with. Finally, look for some construction material recycling places that may be in your area.
Reality number 2. Building a tiny house is a very time-consuming process, but here are some ways to make it a little bit more enjoyable and efficient. Let's talk about how to break down the building process step by step and make it more efficient for you. Break the building process down into manageable stages and plan each stage in detail. Next, use online resources like forums and blogs to learn from others' experiences and help you avoid their mistakes. And finally, consider using a pre-made tiny house kit from a vendor like Trailer Made Custom Trailers.
Yeah, you're like,
Yeah.
which is kind of funny.
Our third reality deals with structural integrity concerns. Safety third?
We have a saying.
Reality number 3 deals with structural integrity concerns. Safety first. Our third reality is all about making sure your tiny house is structurally sound. Let's cover what to look for and hear our top advice on when it's time to call in the professionals. First, consult with an engineer or an experienced builder to make sure that your tiny house meets all structural and code requirements. Next, choose materials that are structurally sound and are also appropriate for your climate and environment. And finally, whether your tiny house is on or off wheels, install a proper foundation to ensure the best anchoring.
Harsh reality number 4, hidden costs. Money matters. Our last truth covers unexpected expenses that can add up quickly during your build process. First, create a detailed and realistic budget and stick to it. Next, leave a buffer in your budget for unexpected expenses. Allow yourself an extra 5 to 10% for materials that may go up in price during your build process. And lastly, consider purchasing materials in bulk. This will save you money in the long run.
And there you have it, the top 4 harsh realities about building your own tiny house. Armed with these tips and tricks, you'll be able to take on the challenge of building the tiny house of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more top content like this. We'll see you next time on the Tiny House Experts.
If you enjoyed today's episode and you want to hear more, please feel free to offer up any suggestions in the comments below for us. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the content that you enjoy. It really helps us grow. You can also find us at trailermadetrailers.com and on Facebook and Instagram and wherever you download your podcasts. As always, thank you so much for your continued support.